Hey, it's Tony here with Random Likes today. Went over to Harbor Freight, picked me up a belt sander. It's a 4 inch by 36 inch belt sander. Name brand is Bauer. Typically they run anywhere from $100 to 150, depending on the discounts, specials, weekend specials, things like that, as you know Harbor Freight does. I'm gonna do a walkthrough today of why I bought it, what I'm gonna use it for, and also show you what comes with it so that if you're thinking about buying it too, you can buy it. If you got any questions, put them in the comments. Thanks for watching. We've got everything in a box now. With it came, of course, the sander, instructions, Allen wrench, 2 set screws, a fence up here, the work table, and then a miter gauge. So let's put it all together, and very few parts, pretty simple. Let's put it together. All right. Assembly's pretty easy for the disc sander itself. It comes with a work table. It's got a little pin right here, and that just slides into there. And then it's got a bolt here with a handle on it so that you can adjust it, easily turn it on. So just put that in there. Once you get it all the way down tightened for the disc sander here, what it allows you to do is you can set it at 0 degrees for a flat working surface. You can adjust it all the way up to, the cord's in the way here, all the way up to 45 degrees. Now we'll need to set this on a different table, but you can set it all the way down to 45 degrees so that when you bring a piece of metal in, we'll do some stuff with it here once we get it all set up. You can set it at different angles. So right now I'm going to set it back to 0. Right here. And then it also comes with a adjustable work table miter so that you can come in at this way and set different angles on the whatever you're working with, metal, wood, whatever. So that's set up. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. Also has a vacuum here to kind of help suck out some of the dust. So you hook your vacuum up to it. It's pretty straightforward on the disc sander, so let's move on to the belt sander here. Okay, so we're going to add the fence here to the belt sander. Comes with 2 set screws and also a Allen wrench. So we're on the fence here, you just put these in. And then there's a little, it's able to slide up and down here. I'm just gonna set it up a little bit higher here so it stays off the belt. And then just tighten them up. All right, and then on the back side here, there's a set screw. You loosen it up, allows you to adjust this to whatever angle you want, flat or an angle. Outside, you've got a belt adjuster up here that tightens the belt, and then right here, you pull this up. As you can see, it loosens up the belt, and then you can switch it out with different grits. Put it back on, adjust it, look for the belt tension, adjust the belt tension accordingly, and then it's ready to sand. So let's go ahead and I gotta see if I gotta bolt this down here. Two spots down here to bolt down. 3 spots, actually, 1, 2, 3. And we're going to get it bolted down. Gotta see what I have around the shop to bolt it down to. And then we will run it through some tests here, see how we like it. All right, so I wanted to show you a little bit more about this adjustment screw. So as of right now, when I turn this on, you can see the belt runs in the middle. Now, if you adjust this to the left or to the right, go that way a little bit, you can see it start to walk over. So you may need to adjust this slightly. As you can see how it works now. And you kind of want it just right there, lined up on both sides. Also, I did want to say that while this came with the belt here, and I'm sorry, the sanding belt here, and the disc sanding belt, it did actually only come with the 1 grit, so you will need to purchase a different one if you want. All right, to remove the sanding disc here and put one with a different grit on it, you can loosen up these 2 screws here, pop this off, maybe. There we go. So you can see it just sits in there and there. And then you'll pry this off using like a scraper. It says to use denatured alcohol to clean it. And then you can slap on your new disc, put it back together as such. Tighten up your bolts, or your screws, excuse me. And then you can put your work table back on. As seen previously in the video. So today I'm going to start out with a 2x4 and see what it can do. I do only have the 1 grit right now. I forgot to pick some more up when I was at Harbor Freight, but I think we'll get an idea here. Let's try the bevel. We'll go all the way down to 45, why not? Everything in between. Probably doing something wrong, but that 45 is a little hard to get to. So let's try a little less here. Let's go 15. I like 15. 15 will work. I would say I've got a little bit of playing around to do with it myself. Get a little bit more experience on this new tool. Let's test out the bevel here, the miter attachment. Let's do it at 30 degrees. I'm gonna flip this around so you can see it better. 30 degrees there. bed. Overall, my opinion of the Bauer is it's really good. I really like it. It's perfect for my shop, the size of my shop, and for the occasional use. It will grind metal, it will grind wood, and obviously it'll grind plastic as you've seen. And I think the upgraded motor in this Bauer keeps it from bogging down so much and allows you to use it. I would buy it again. I'm gonna enjoy using it. For me personally, I think I need to get some more practice on it, and I can't wait to do that. Thanks for watching today. If you want to see more videos, how-tos, product reviews, things like that, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.